Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to the day 4 of 14 days Python core course. Once confirm that am I audible or not? Okay. We will wait for just 2 more minutes and then I will start this session. Are you able to see my screen chat? Okay, fine. So yesterday we have been discussing about string. What is string and how does the string indexing works and what is string length? In today's session, we're going to discuss about the concept of string slicing. String slicing is nothing but dividing a string and taking that string as a string from the string. Seems to be complicated definition, but I will show you how it works. String slicing makes a substring from a string. We take a string from so and so index to so and so index, and we will treat it as substring. That can be done with the help of index number. So let us assume, as we have taken the example of Rahul yesterday, I will take a name variable as Rahul. Name variable as Rahul. Now chat, can you say what is the string length of variable name? String length of the variable name.
क्या ला रहा है क्या बोला
Okay, fine. Now the string length variable, can you say chat what might be the string length of variable name? For this variable name, it has a string named Rahul. Can you say what can be this length of the string Rahul? String length is nothing but number of variables inside a string. I mean number of letters inside a string. Number of letters in the sense number of characters. Can you say how many number of characters are there in the string Rahul? 5, exactly 5. Now for the variable name, we have string length as 5. String length is 5. And for that, string indexing can be done as from 0 to 4. As we discussed yesterday, The string indexing will be done as 0 to n minus 1 if string length is n. When the string length is n, then our indexing will be done for the string 0 to n minus 1. Now, when I take this Rahul string, when I take this Rahul string, or I will take as it is, as because the string is a case sensitive case, RAHUL. Now this string has 5 characters. Now the string indexing can be done as 0 for R, 1 for A, 2 for H, 3 for U, 4 for L. This is how the forward indexing works. And there is also a thing called backward indexing, in which we take as -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Mostly and generally, we use forward indexing in the case of string slicing. String slicing is nothing but, suppose I want to take a string from this. Only I will consider from Rahul, only I will consider the letters AHU. Means that from the Rahul string, only I need AHU. I need only this string, AHU. Now, for this AHU, what should I do? Means, for AHU, you should go for string slicing. First, you need to write the variable name. Then you need to use this square bracket opening. And you need to write first start index. Start index. Then you need to put semicolon, colon, and then you need to write end index and close with square bracket again. Close with square bracket. I have taken name because here the variable of string name of variable is name. The variable name of string Rahul is treated as here name. So I have been taken the name here, variable. Now general syntax will be variable name, open square bracket, starting index from where you want to take, colon, and closing index. That means end index. And at last, closing square bracket. This is how your string slicing syntax works. Now, when you write this and due to one variable s, then it will return a string from where to where index you are mentioning. Suppose, let's take an example that I am writing it as s is equal to name, as here name is equal to Rahul, and I will mention it as name from, as I want to take AHU. I will write it as 1 to 1 to 4. I will write it from 1 to 4. As I want to take AHU, I will write it as 1 to 4. There might be some confusion in mind. Let me clear. I haven't taken 1 because here it starts from A. So I will take A, H, U. Means that is ending at 3. But I need to write the end index. Means that the index come after the what index where I am ending. That is 4. It's kind of you need to write if you are ending at 3 and you are including a substring and you need U in your string, then in that case, you need to take 3 plus 1, that is 4. You need to write 4 here. That's it. You need to write here some plus 1. If you are taking only AH, suppose if you are taking only AH, in that case, you need to write as name bracket 1 colon. As I'm writing A and H, I will take 1 as opening index, starting index, and the ending index will be 3. Means that as I'm ending at H, that is 2 plus 1 is 3. In that way, string slicing works. And it's very important for taking substrings how we want. It's kind of a modifying way and manipulative way of taking substrings. Either using a kind of lot of functions, you use only one string slicing function and you will get the required substring you want. So by using this, you can take your substring as you want. Now let us see in our Visual Studio Code. Before that chat, are you able to understand what is the string slicing is? Let me open my VS Code. Then we will write a code for string slicing. Okay, fine. Now I will create here one program with a name of string slicing dot py. Now I will take here a variable and the string will be amazing. Amazing. I will write amazing life. I will take quite big string before then, like not like a Rahul that which is short string, and we will see how does it work. Now I will write print name 2 is to 7. Let's see what does the output is. I'm writing very randomly and let's see. When I write 2 is to 7, we can see here the output is AZING. Now, when I type this amazing life, let's see how the indexing has been done first. This in amazing life string, the first index is A, which is 0. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is taken up to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to L, 8, 9, and last one, E is have 10th index. So it will go on like 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, and 10. Now for this string, as I have written from 2 is to 7, now for 2, you can see that it is A and starting index is A. So it will start from A and go to G because as I have taken the end index as 7, means that it will be done as +1. So it will be 6. The it and 6 is G. So the output will be from A, Z, I, and G. Are you able to understand, chat? How does the string slicing works? Are you able to understand this code? Now, what if I write print name 1 is 2? I will not write anything. Means that I am not mentioning any end index. And let's see what will be the output. And I will comment this. And I will comment the above print statement. Let's run one. When I don't mention any end index, then it's starting from the index that I have mentioned here, but it's not going to end. It will mention all the characters that it has in the string, all the characters. Till the string not gets terminated, it will take all the characters because I have not mentioned any end index here. So when you not mention any end index, it will take all the characters from the starting index till all the characters are available in the string that you from which you are doing string slicing. Now, what if I don't mention starting index? Let's see what happens. And I will write here 5. Now this time I'm mentioning ending index. And I know that for n it has 5. So definitely it will gonna print up to I because 5 minus 1 is 4 and it will gonna print up to I. But it will start from 8 and end up to I. Let's see what happens. Yeah, like as I said, that it will start from A and end at I, which is from up to 4. The same way it happens. When you don't mention ending index, it will all take characters up to the string gets terminated. When you don't mention starting index, it will take from the starting index and go up to ending index. What if I don't mention starting index and ending index? Let's see what happens. And I will run this. When I don't mention starting and ending index, that means it will print whole string again. That's it. It's very simple. So now you don't make a substring to print all this. You make a substring to store in some variable. So you can also store in some variable. I'm creating a variable s and storing some random substring from 4 to 9. Some random with random indexes. And when I do this, I need to print S so that I want to know that it's getting stored in this or not. I will comment all the remaining print statements so that I can see only print S. When you do comment, all the statements will get ignored. Hello, chat. Okay. I have realized just now that my voice wasn't coming. Can you say that from up to where the voice was audible to you so that I can start from there? From what concept the voice wasn't coming? Is it audible now? First of all, you confirm that is it audible now? Yes. Can you please say that from what concept the voice was not audible? Does it happen just now or it was taken long time? Well, from print S. Okay, from print S means that have you heard of skip value? Did I were you audible for skip value? Have you heard something about skip value? Yes or no? Just quick yes or no? No. Okay, fine. Yeah. Is my screen visible? Okay. Now, so in string slicing, there is another concept called string slicing with skip value. Now, string slicing with skip value means that when you take a name called Rahul string, in that name, as I mentioned, 1 is to means that 1 colon 4 colon 2, we get substring, but not regular kind of substring that we assume that we get from 1 to 3, that is AHU. That don't happen. Let's see what happened to find in VS Code. Let's see what happened. So for this, I have written here print name 1 is to 9 is to 2 for the string amazing life. When I ran it, I got output MZNL. Okay. Actually, if I print from just one colon line 9, like before, what we do for string slicing, I should get from M2, which is 1 to 8, means that 9 minus 1, 8. I should get MAZINGLI. This string I should get. But when I include 2, I get MZNL. Let's see how does it works and why it's skipping some characters. As we have given the skip value called 2 here, after the end index as end index colon skip value that is 2, we get as MAZINGLI. Here is the substring it should get for 1 colon 9. As I write here 2, first it will take M, then it will go for set. Means that as I have written 2, it will skip one character. Means that as it is at 1, now for M, the index is, for M, the index here is 1. In amazing life string, for M, the index is 1. Now what does it do? It will go to 3 as 1 plus 2. Means that we have skip value 2. It will add 2 to the 1 because we are starting at 1 here. We are starting at 1 and we are starting at 1 and it will go to 3. Okay, chat. From 1 to it will go to 3. Means we are adding 2 and now we are at 3. It will add 2 again. It will go to 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is n. We got n here. We got n here. And the index is 5. Now index is 5. We get 5 plus 2, which is 7. We get 7th index, that is L. And when we add again 7 plus 2, means that 7 plus 2 is 9, but we are ending index is 9. We can't access that character, so we get only M, Z, and L. This is how string slicing with skip value works. Are you able to understand, chat? How are you able to understand how does the string slicing with skip value works? Just yes or no? Okay, fine. Now when I write 3, let's see what does the output comes. When I write 3, my output will be with the skip value 3. And I got output as this time for skip value 3 MIL. I got this output for skip value 3, and it will skip, and first it will write M, it will skip the as a 1 plus 3 is 4, it will go for 4, and 4 plus 3 is 7, it will go for 7. I get MIL, and 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 plus 4 is 11, and when it go for 11, it will cannot access the letters which are not there because it has only end index is 9. Are you able to understand, chat? This how the string slicing with skip value works. Now after the 2 minutes, the meeting gonna end. You need to rejoin again with the same link. Okay, chat. After the 2 minutes, the meeting will gonna end. You need to rejoin with the same link. So the next topic we're gonna discuss is string functions. String functions are those functions which are used to manipulate the string, and we use string according to that and find out sometimes if so and so character is available in the string or not, or to calculate what is the length of the string, or to some that the string with the end with so and so characters or not. In this way, we will see what are the string functions, string methods. Now, the first string method is len. This is the string function. Now, what does this string do? When I enter s in this, that is nothing but, let us assume there is some s string, like with the name of variable name s, there is some string. When I enter this s, then the function length len function, I will get an output that is length of the string. You can calculate the length of the string. You can calculate the length of the string, which are very short. But can you calculate the length of the string which has thousands of characters? No, you can't. You can't sit and count each and every character. It's very